No, it's a very good mark for me. I arrived here almost 3 years ago, and I'm very proud to be part of this club, to reach amazing goals altogether, and that's it. No, it's not a surprise, and it's not a pressure for nothing. We're doing our work day by day since June that we are all together. So we work for this very hard. If someone tell us that we're gonna reach December with this level in Europe in a domestic competition with 6 points ahead, probably no one will believe. But we believe since the first day. So this is the most important, and we are here fighting for the first 8. This was one thing that no one think when we arrive in one club. We just think to give our best, and that's what I did since the first day I arrived here. I did my best. I make this good mark for me and for the club, and this is the most important. When you do your work correctly and professionally, you get this. But this is not the most important right now. It's the game tomorrow. Yeah, probably because we are playing. We are first in Slovenian championship. We are here to play Europe and fighting for something great for all of us. So yes, probably one of the best 6 months I had in my career.
This is what is happening during the season for many more times. 2 times in a row in the last 2 conference games, but it's not also the first 2 times. So for us, we continue like always. I'm gonna repeat myself. We prepare the same. We analyze our opponent, taking in account all the options we see they can use. We expect the best shape of them, and we try to prepare ourselves for that. From that point, we will try to exploit the weaknesses we think they have through the analysis we have done. And if they play different because they have new coach, I think yesterday they present the new coach. If they change something that is not shown in the previous games because they try something new, we feel also that we are ready to adapt during the game, because also this has happened to us, and the players, as you had said before with David, they are full prepared for everything. No, I don't have information. I have heard that they are gonna fix during the break, but I don't ask one contract to see of this. I hope they fix this issue. I said from the very first moment it started to happen. I repeat again myself, not as an excuse, because we have learned to play in these conditions. We don't like, because we think that we cannot use all the potential we have, but we are competitors. So for that reason, the team is in the position like many people at the beginning of the season were expecting for them, because they are competitors and they are doing very good. So this issue with the pitch, again, is not our deal. The people in charge of the maintenance, the people in charge of the facilities, they must take the decision to fix when there is a problem. From our side, what we can say only is to highlight, to communicate that there is a problem, as we have done. I have done. Private first, of course, I did also in public. And we continue doing our job in the conditions they give to us. Everybody is full motivated. Everybody is showing us they are ready to play. We can count on all of them. We are making rotations in the beginning of the season because of that. So in our strategy also is to try to split the efforts, to try to split the loads for the players. But as you have seen also in many games, we made rotations because of we thought that was the best option for win every game. So we will prepare these last 2 games with the same aim, thanks to the very good behavior of all the players. It's very good question, in my opinion, because normally you are focusing on the results, but you are talking at the same time about analysis. So analysis is not results. About analysis means what the teams make to try to get the results. So through the analysis we find very good patterns, and we have a very good strengths they have. Another thing is the results. It happen many times in football that things that they are doing a very good job, they don't get the results, because at the end football gives the opportunity for everyone in the pitch to take advantage for any single action, for set piece, one mistake. You can be dominant team and you can lose all the job in one moment that you lose the attention. So through the analysis, we have found that this team, they are a good team. They have good patterns and they have good fitness capacity. They are very quick players. They are very strong and very aggressive in the high press. We think this is their main key, and we don't expect that to change, but we will see with the new coach. We are preparing the game like that, and not thinking in the results. Of course, the results are not for sure what they are deserving because of all what they are doing in the pitch.